dreycosting back to you with another banger. Yes, another markup, but this time it's not GBP JPY, it's Euro USD. So EU will be the pair that I'm adding to the arsenal, right, to the ammunition for 2024. But I don't know if I'm gonna how long I'm gonna keep it for, but I want to try it out for the first quarter and see it works. If it works out for me and working good, then I'll keep it. If it's not working, I'll probably just drop it, right? Y'all know I've been trading GJ for 4 years now. Not much experience with EU, but I believe that my trading system is extremely powerful and it can work on any currency pair, right? I don't know about the power of it working on indices or what you call it again, commodities or so on, but I definitely know that my system is powerful on currency pairs, right? So Euro USD, I just chose this pair because I just like the swings of it, you know what I mean? I like what form structure, you know, it's just give me that flavor like GJ. So how will be trading EU? The first thing we're always going to look at GJ. So GJ are the boss, right? So we're always going to look at GJ. GJ is the primary. But like if I get up sometime in like London session and GJ is not giving me that vibe, it's not setting up on structure, or the fundamentals are not ready for it, and so on, and it's ready for EU, then I'm definitely going with EU. So that's the vibe I'm looking at. So EU is gonna act as a backup, you know what I mean, supplementary to GJ, not the other way around, right? So it's just gonna be a backup for GJ. We're not getting that flavor for GJ. That way, you know what I mean, we can exploit our trading skills and grow our account faster, pass this funded challenge much faster. So that's what we're looking for, right? So now you know. So each day I'm gonna try to drop 2 videos and hopefully it helps, right? But y'all ask for another pair and I'm delivering in 2024. Let's get on to it. So we're on the daily chart, right? So we're on the daily chart because we want to mark off our, our supply and demand levels, right? We want to mark off our supply and demand levels. All right, bam. Lot of rejections right here. All right, I like this level. All right, bam, nice with the level. I'm gonna put it a little wide. Bam, daily zone. All right, so for EU, I'm definitely looking for some selling type of action for EU right now, right? See if I can zoom in a bit. So we have structure coming down, up, shift, retest lower high. I'm looking for a little break to go down. We have structure right here. I'm looking for the break push off from that supply zone to fill out this area right here, right? So that's what we're looking from the higher time frame. Let's go down to the H4. See if we can pick up some more zones. The next optimum zone is that we're looking at here. Stop playing with me. All right, so notice the first thing that I do is identify my optimum zones, right? And I said these are the daily and H4 zones, right? So that's all I do. I'm just taking trades off the H4 and daily zones, right? Whenever price comes to these levels, I trade. I don't really care about what's going on inside here. Yes, you can catch a lot of move up inside there, but I'm a supply and demand zone trader, right? So that's all I do. All right, that's been working for me and I'm going to stick with it, all right? So now we're seeing the breaker structure a little bit better, all right? So bottom of the H4. Is it break? Is it break? We're not fully break as yet. We're not fully break as yet. Not fully break as yet. It's low. Okay. We're not fully break as yet. Traders and traders. We have a zone right here as well. Alright, not looking too bad. Alright, let me go down to the 30 and see how we're looking. I can pick it up much better. We're definitely looking for sells. Alright, but possibly buys. Alright, so I'm looking for sells first. Alright, I have a double bottom right here. Price could easily push above. Let me see this retracement right here, 200 pip. We are at a zone right here. Well, possibly we can go for buys, right? Possibly we can go for buys as well. All right. So let me draw up the levels now. The bomb. All right. We have the wedge right there, break a structure. All right. So currently we have bullish structure, right? So though higher time frame I'm seeing sells, but currently we have bullish structure. But I'm still looking for sells, right? Because this could simply be like a liquidity grab to continue down. But we just have to see anytime London session starts, right? So we're not going to push it or try to guess. We're just going to see whatever structure is when London session starts, right? All right, so currently we're in buy structure. So once EU remains above here, let's put out the zones. Once EU remains above 1.09367, then we're looking for buys, right? So we have already set up for the buy structure. See it? Lower high, lower high, lower high, right? Bam. Price broke the previous high, voiding the definition of a downtrend, retrace, create a higher low, confirming the basic trading for uptrend. So we look to continue up for a buy, right? So follow me clear now. If you get up in London session, right? If you get up in pre-London, London open, and EU is still resting above this level right here, right? Showing wicks at the bottom, right? Showing sellers exhaustion and buyers gaining that control, then you look to continue to buy off this zone right here, right? Just gonna continue to buy off this demand zone, right? So this now will become demand, right? Follow me now. Follow me now. So this right here is the lower high, right? Lower low, I should say, right? This is the lower low. If when you get up in London session, notice that I'm speaking about, and they said nothing about Asian session or anything like that. Unlike GJ, you're definitely not looking at Asian session whatsoever, right? It says Euro USD. So it's London session and New York session only to trade this, right? GJ, sometimes I can fool around in Asian session because it's as yen, and yen is part of Asian session, right? So this is the low right here. All right. So let's play it safe now. So bam, we can look for something like this for buys, right? Some form of double bottom to show the strength of the zone, right? Bam, that will show the strength of the zone right here, and you can look to continue for a buy once we're in London session. Other than that, here the previous low, right, would have to be broken, right? So some form of action like this would have to happen. Break, retest, create a lower high, wait for resistance to form, bullish candle closure, bearish candle closure, wicks at the top, right? Resistance form, and then you look for your sells, all right? So sells below 1.09069, buys above 1.09367. Therefore, within here is a no trade zone. All right. Within here is a no trade zone. You follow me? All right. So that's the vibe that we're looking at for Euro USD. Just for the structure, and you should be okay. Alright? Until tomorrow. Straight balling, no stalling. I'm out.